I did it again, guys. I ordered another ThredUp shoe box. Send help. Hey guys, I'm Kay and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and I have a serious addiction to ThredUp. It's so convenient to just not have to leave my house and deal with other human beings. I just go online, put in my credit card information, and inventory arrives to my door. So this is $80. It's 15 pairs of shoes, mixed sizes. I've had mostly good luck with the shoe boxes. They are my favorite to order. I do have a ThredUp unboxing playlist that I can link for you in the cards if you want to watch a bunch of them. They typically perform really well for me. I always make profit on these. I have gotten rothys twice in these boxes. I'm hoping for a third pair right now. But yeah, this one's from Georgia. I haven't looked in here. It's still got the paper all nice and stickered. This is a new sticker. I haven't seen this one before. It is a recyclable sticker and it says 100% thrifted. So let's dive in and see what we got. But if you enjoy ThredUp content or other reseller content, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here. So without further ado. Ooh, they did send bubbles, so this is great. I will keep these to reuse for my eBay packages. Here is what it looks like inside at first glance. Again, I don't have any idea what's in here, but it looks decent. So first we have some Steven by Steve Madden. And these are like a faux leather, I believe, platform sandal. These are really trendy right now. Let's see if I can find a size for these. I don't see a size right off the bat, but oh, see? Oh, they are real leather, so that's cool. They don't feel like real leather, but that's even better. And these are a size, I can't really read that. Let's see if the other one is more legible. Yeah, so these are an 8. Kiana is the style name. So if you didn't know, ThredUp is an online consignment store where you can send in your items and they will sell them for you, which is great. I have used it a few times, but sometimes when either things don't sell or they don't accept items and people don't have the return assurance on their boxes, they end up here. So it could be anything. These are some interesting looking Nike sneakers. They have like a chunky back heel. I don't see the little label in here. Hopefully this one has one. Nope. No label with the style number or the shoe size. This little insole, I was hoping it would be under here. This little insole does have a chunk taken out of it, as you can see here. But I don't see that the size is anywhere, and they are very mesh and sheer on the side, so that could be why. So I might have to do some research on these or have Livy try them on. I think she's like a 7 right now and I'm an 8.5. I don't think these would fit me, but they could possibly fit her, and then I could always measure them. Okay, I've never sold this brand before. This is Gemmy. I did recently see a pair of these in a thrift store last week actually, and they had them priced at $200. I don't know if that's really worth the price because like I said, I've never sold them. The bottoms look decent. They have been worn, obviously. These are 36.5, made in Italy. I'm assuming real leather. They feel nice. Not too much wear. There is like a little bit of a toe print here, but otherwise these are in good shape. These are candies sold at Kohl's. I don't know if it's still even made, but I know it was sold at Kohl's. These are like a tweed material, which I know is really trendy for the current season. They did have a sticker on the bottom that had a size at one point. I don't see a size inside this shoe, so that could be why they put them in this box, because ThredUp doesn't accept things without sizes. So even though they are cute, this might have to be another one where I have Livy or myself try on. But yeah, they're in really good shape, just missing the size. These are DV Dolce Vita. I know they have a line that's sold at Target, but I can't honestly remember which logo it is that is the higher end line. I think it's just the one that's spelled out. This one has the DV, so I think this might be the Target. But these are cute. They're like a little wedge with the cork bottom. But again, no size to speak of. So far, we're not doing well with the sizes. But you know, that just might end up being a reason why I put them in a donation bin. It looks like there might be a number here, but it's very worn. It looks like it could be a 7. So it looks like it might be a size 7 looking at it. But yeah, we'll see. Ooh, I see something I like in here, but let's do these first. These are a brand I've never picked up before, but I'm pretty sure the Real has taken this at one point in the past. So I think it's pretty high end, but I've never sold it, so I don't know. This is Tibby, New York. These are like a black pointed toe little number. Trying to move you over here so you don't get my hair in the way for a better view. These are a size 39.5. They look to be in good shape. This one does have some marks on the toe area, if you can see that, but otherwise they look good. These are a New Day Target. Where's the other one? Right here. These are a size 7. Little espadrille low wedge. They're cute. I probably won't get a lot for them, but the bottoms look pretty clean. So I'll definitely still list them. Okay, this is a brand that I love to sell, but I have never found the shoes. These feel super nice. These are Everlane. Like a cognac leather slide, size 10. Great size. I think they're leather. They feel like leather, but it doesn't say that anywhere. So really excited about these. I have heard good things about Everlane, and they're in pretty good condition. Those are definitely my favorite so far. Okay, this is Kate Spade. A little suede loafer action. These are called the Claudia, size 8B. Cute. Bottoms look good too. Worn a few times. It does say on here, there's a little sticker, Claudia, $169. So I'm gonna assume that was the retail price. All right, let's go with these. These are a brand I've never heard of. Don't know if it's anything. I apologize for the noise. They're doing road work the last few days in front of my house, so it gets a little bit loud. This is Charlotta Bascini, made in Italy. If you guys know anything, please let me know in the comments. These are a size 37.5. They do have a leather sole. Here's kind of what they look like. A ballet flat. It kind of does look like real calf hair, and I'm going to assume that it is. It doesn't say on the shoe anywhere, but if I can give you a close-up, there's definitely some texture here. So we'll have to research those for sure. Doesn't look like there's any Rothys in here, but that's totally fine. So these are some Adidas. These are the Stan Smith. It's got his creepy face on the tongue. These are a size 4, so they're a very small size. Oh, okay. Stella McCartney Adidas. Interesting. It says it again here. I have sold one pair of shoes from this collab before. They did really well. That was the first ThredUp box, shoe box that I ever got. I didn't do it here on my channel. I did it over on Instagram Live because it was like the beginning of the pandemic and everything was closed. So I decided to order from ThredUp. And yeah, I had really good luck with that box. But anyway, there is a small scuff right here on this right shoe. If you can see, yep, there we go. This midsole is definitely a little bit yellowed. I don't know if it was intended to be so. I'm gonna assume it was probably intended to be the color of the shoe. Some more scuffs right here, but I still think I could get some decent money for these, even though they are a super small size. Now we have some Converse, and these are velvet, and I'm kind of obsessed with these. What size are you? I don't see it. Please have the size somewhere. No, I don't see it. Definitely not on the insole. I don't see it here. And it's not on the bottom, so I'll have to do some more digging. If I find out before this video goes live, I will post it. But these are amazing. They're like a purple, like a royal purple color with gold studs, high top, and I love them. Relatively little wear on the bottoms, so other than the size not being present, they're in really good condition. So excited for these, and if they fit me, they might just have to get added to my collection. All right, the rest of what's in here is boots. So first we have a fuzz, but we have Sam Edelman. I'll show you it there because it's gonna be impossible to see inside. Oh, this zipper's not sliding too nice. Okay, there we go. I got it. Don't see the style in here, but they are size 8, so a little black leather booty. Obviously not the right season, but they should still sell. Not much wear, a little bit of like creasing, but otherwise they're looking pretty good. So I'm not mad at these. Oh, I thought that's what these were. I have gotten this brand quite a few times in my ThredUp shoe boxes. Here is the logo down over here. These are Fries. I don't know if you can see that in there. You might be able to see some of it. But these are really nice. These are 7.5B. They have a little snap right here to cover the top of the zipper with the pull. They still slide nice. Here is a better look. There we go, Fry. So I don't know what style these are, but you can put in this number that says 76502, and usually it will tell you the style. So these are dark brown leather. Booty. They do have a little bit of wear on the toes, but otherwise they look nice. Definitely not gonna complain, and they just fell, about Fries. And last but not least, we have a taller boot. These look nice. Little Sherpa lining with some buckles. These are Gianni Beanie. I don't think I've ever sold this brand. I really hope you can see that. It's Gianni Beanie. But they look really good. I'm assuming they're leather. They feel like leather. Yep, leather upper, size 8. No style name, but that's totally fine. The other one looks pretty good too. They have like a little tiny scuff over here on the toe. But the heels look good. Yeah, so not mad about these. Definitely will sell these. So let's see what we got. We got these Gianni beanies, that's 1. Sam Edelman booties, 2. The fries that fell on the ground, 3. These Chuck Taylors that don't have a size, at least right now, 4. The Stella McCartney Adidas in a super small size. Is that 6? 4? 5? I think it's 5. I don't know, I can't count. The Everlane slides, 6. These Charlotta Bacchini flats, 7. A New Day little espadrilles, 8. Dolce Vita wedges, 9. Tibby heels, 10. Candy's little tweed number, 11. The Jemmy leather heels, 12. These Steve Madden platforms is 13. The Kate Spade loafers is 14. And last we have these currently no sized Nike sneakers, which is 15. I've always gotten exactly 15 pairs in my shoe boxes. They don't disappoint in the quantity. This is actually probably one of the best quality boxes that I've ever gotten, where pretty much all the shoes are still in fantastic shape. I have gotten quite a few pairs of shoes that I just had to straight up donate because they just were so worn. So that's a huge bonus for me. I'm really happy with this. I definitely think my favorites are, of course, the Fry boots, even though I don't really have a great luck selling them. Sometimes I send them into the Real Rail. They do take them if I can't move them, but I got some Kate Spade, I got Stella McCartney Adidas, I got those really amazing velvet Chucks. So yeah, really happy with this. Please let me know what your favorite pair of shoes was in the comments. I love to see what you guys enjoy from these boxes. But if you had fun at any point during this video, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And if you're not already subscribed, like I said in the beginning part of this video, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.